Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have Brookhaven open in Roblox and are using a current client. Outdated versions can block features. Once loaded, find the place where codes are entered, either a shop menu or chat command field, because that's where the no-face code goes. Make sure you're in a server that allows code redeems and that your avatar customization is unlocked. If you meet those prerequisites, type the code exactly and prepare to apply the change. Now apply the code. Enter it exactly as provided, including hyphens or spaces. Small typos will fail. Once you submit, watch for any in-game confirmation or a brief cooldown message. Do not spam the command because that can lock redeems temporarily. After the system confirms, open the avatar or face customization to preview the no-face effect. Make adjustments to skin, head, or accessories to ensure the face is fully hidden. If it doesn't appear, retry once after a short wait. Finish by saving your avatar, and if the no face isn't visible, leave and rejoin the server to force a refresh. You'll often see the change on reconnection. If visuals still fail, clear Roblox cache or log out and back in to eliminate temporary glitches. Make sure the code hasn't expired. Codes get updated, so check recent community posts or official sources. If nothing works, try a different head or accessory combination. Sometimes layering items resolves face rendering conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.